Hi, welcome to our video. Today we're going to demonstrate this little Blanchard model 11-20, serial number 14776. As Blanchards go, this one's in really nice shape. It's currently wired for 460 volts. Has a MagnaFlux chuck controller installed on it. It's not set for full magnetism. Turn it on. It works. Also flip it over to variable. It's in the variable mode now. The variable is all the way up on 100%. You can tell by how bright the yellow light is in the center. And as you reduce the percentage of magnetism, the light dims as it should until you get to the point where it actually shuts off and it wouldn't even be safe to grind at that point. The variable works well. Kick it back over to full. You can watch it also has the demag cycle for demagnetizing, which is so important on these machines. And it's flashing as it demags like it's supposed to. This machine is also equipped with the Trabon central lubrication system with grease in the grease manifolds. Give it a pump once or twice during your shift while you're grinding. These manifolds grease the column for the head to go up and down, the actual spindle bearings themselves, the saddleways for your table in and out, and your drive motors for all of those things. Let's see, the spindle motor is 15 horsepower, if I didn't mention that already. In addition to the MagnaFlux chuck controllers, the chuck on this machine has over 3/8 of an inch of chuck life. It's in really nice shape. Go ahead and start the chuck rotation. Table drive sounds wonderful. Start the spindle for you. This machine actually has coolant in it already too. Turn the pump on. Has the factory type gusher pump installed in the rear like they do. And some fresh coolant we just put in it. Also has the automatic feed down. You've got your rapid traverse up and down. When you go ahead and engage the automatic feed down, it covers the buttons for safety. There's your automatic feed down. It's set on only 9, but you can kick it way up so it feeds faster. When it hits 0, it will shut off. Got to come all the way back around to 0, of course. Right there, boom. And you would power your head up, the end of your cycle. It's a nice simple machine. It's in really nice shape. That's about it. Thanks for watching our video.